Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. Just going to show you how I got the temperature up from 42 Celsius on average on the cylinder temperatures to 49 Celsius. So down here we have this INC2. It's an internet work node controller. It's not working, and it's where it controls the times that the hot water comes on the boilers, the plate heat exchanger, and so on, what time it comes on from a main computer, but it's not working, so I had to bypass it. In another video I've shown you how to bypass the BMS. That's what I did in this situation. I had to move the jumpers along to bypass it. Let's go over to the boiler, and you have one of the temperature sensors that you could see on the BMS control panel display, and up here you can see another temperature sensor which is on the BMS control. Over here you have the boiler, which is set to 85 Celsius, and I've had to put it into hand. Over here you have the plate heat exchanger and the stockfish controller. So here's the plate heat exchanger. The four-way valve is here, and the constant temperature flow from the boilers is here from the heating, and you can see the return on the right. So it comes in, and it comes along here, goes inside the system, comes out at the bottom, comes past this pump and makes its way back to the constant temperature circuit. I don't believe the temperature sensor is correct on this unit. It's saying 60 Celsius, but as you could see at the control panel earlier, we had no reading at the upper sensor of anything like 60 Celsius. I've also used my laser gun, as though it's not pinpoint accurate. Here's the temperature sensor at the back, and the readings I get are nothing like the 60 Celsius that it is stating. I think it's more like 50 Celsius that I'm getting through here. So the temperature sensor here will need changing. There's possibly a resistance test that could be done on that at certain temperatures, and I'll be able to find out if my sensor is accurate. I believe it's about 10 Celsius out. So moving back around to the unit, at the back we have the return pump, hot water return pump going back to the system, to the plate heat exchanger. We have the pump there, and there's the return, the flow coming in, the return goes that way, comes back out and goes back up, depending on whether the valve is open or closed. The hot water service flow comes out, comes up here, past this valve, and goes into the hot water cylinder. And then down here, here's the return. Comes down here, goes down the bottom, has this actuator here, and then goes here. This actuator is connected to the cold water service. Comes in past this check valve and has an actuator here. Over here we have another plate heat exchanger. On this plate heat exchanger, it displays that the temperature is actually 51 Celsius. I think that's more accurate. Here is the actuator at the back, and you can see that it is at roughly about number 9 to 10, and it has a Magna pump on it and a Grumpus pump down there as well at the back. The return. Okay, I hope that has helped you. I'm going to bring you back to the panel quickly so you can see it again. So here on the control panel, these are the temperatures. You can see those temperature sensors. I only showed you a few. So here they are, and these are the readings. Okay, I hope that's helped you. Until next time. Bye bye bye.